With another landmark ruling from the nation's highest court. The Supreme Court has struck down affirmative action in college admission decisions. This ruling is reverberating throughout Washington as well as colleges and universities all around the country. Demonstrators did gather outside the Supreme Court today after the justices ruled race-conscious admissions programs at Harvard and the University of North Carolina violate the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. On the other hand, activists who argued the university's affirmative action policies discriminated against white and Asian American applicants hailed the ruling as a victory.
Education and law experts are also reacting to the Supreme Court's decision on affirmative action.
Well, CBS News Philadelphia reporter Howard Monroe joining us now. He spoke to them, including one who tried this case in lower courts, Howard.
Yeah, she did. She did it when she was working for the NAACP and is really hitting these education communities particularly hard. Some say this was the right decision, and students, they will be judged based on their merits instead of their race. But there's also those who have major concerns that this decision will result in less diversity on college campuses.
This decision is a huge barrier, right? And it comes at a time where we know that race still matters in this country.
Kara McClellan is an associate professor at Penn Law School. She's also the director of the school's Advocacy for Racial and Civil Justice Clinic. She's also represented 25 student groups in lower courts fighting against Thursday's Supreme Court decision. She spent Thursday reviewing that decision with her students.
This is what we know from years of studying the issues.
When our institutions of higher education become exclusionary spaces, that really undermines the legitimacy of our promise of the American dream.
At the clinic, they focus on civil rights and policy work. She says policies like affirmative action helped all students, not just students of color.
All students benefit from having a diverse population on campus. The research shows that there's benefits in terms of critical thinking, in terms of developing leadership skills, in terms of being prepared for the workforce.
But Vic Bernson of the conservative group Young Americans Foundation sees that decision differently.
Today, I think we've achieved equal justice under law.
Bernson is the vice president of the Virginia-based organization. He tells CBS News Philadelphia he identifies as Hispanic, but was also vocal in overturning affirmative action in college admissions. He says the only thing that should matter are students' credentials.
I don't want anyone thinking my success wasn't earned, but was given to me by some benefactor who claims to know more about what's better for me than I know myself.
Now, Vic went on to say that affirmative action was a blanket policy, but says it should have only been used by students who experienced racism in the admissions process. But Kara said individual schools will now have to work even harder to ensure equal opportunities for those students.
Howard, thank you for that. And the president is also reacting. He delivered brief remarks following the Supreme Court decision. He expressed his disagreement with today's landmark ruling that overturned decades of precedent.
Well, the president said many people wrongly believe that affirmative action allows unqualified students to be admitted ahead of qualified students, but this is not how college admissions work. He said after first meeting the qualifications required by the school, the colleges look at other factors in addition to their grades, such as race.
I've always believed that the promise of America is big enough for everyone to succeed, and that every generation of Americans, we have benefited by opening the doors of opportunity just a little bit wider to include those who've been left behind. I believe our colleges are stronger when they're racially diverse. Our nation is stronger because we are tapping into the full range of talent in this nation.
President Biden also criticized the system of legacy admissions, which gives preference to students with family that are alumni, saying that colleges should be engines of expanding opportunity for low-income students. Now, CBS News conducted a poll to see what Americans think about affirmative action, and here is what they found here when asked if colleges should be allowed to consider race in admissions. 70% of people who responded said it should not be allowed. 30% said it should. But the numbers are very different for the next question. Should affirmative action programs be continued? More than half the people who responded to this poll said they should be continued. There's a margin of error here of plus or minus 3%.